Nicola Cairncross here, and I'm about to give you a quick ChatGPT tutorial on how to create your own custom app within ChatGPT. I'm going to show you mine first and give you an idea of the kind of thing that you could do, especially if you're an author, an expert of any kind, if you have any training materials you usually share with students, anything like that. You can customize your own ChatGPT app, and you can do amazing things with it, which I'll tell you about as we go along. But first, let me show you mine. Okay, so here we are at the Clicks and Leads Marketing Mentor app, and I think you're going to be quite impressed with what you can do with them. And they're not that hard to set up. I'm going to imagine that I'm a haggis manufacturer called Hamish, and I'm going to get my marketing mentor app to mentor me on how to best market my haggis. Okay, I'm here to assist you with your digital marketing needs. May I know your name to personalize our conversation? Okay, let's call. I'm going to call myself Hamishette. Okay, business main focus and your current marketing strategies. I sell whiskey flavored haggis, and I have a website. Now, the main challenge I'm finding with this app is it gets a bit exuberant and over enthusiastic. So let's see if it does that today. Now it's asking me questions. How many would it ask me? So you're supposed to ask 3. Oh, very good. Okay. How do you use your website for marketing your whiskey? Well, I hoped lots of people would visit. That's not working. I'm trying to put myself in the position of someone who's not very skilled with digital marketing. Do you have any online sales capabilities? Yes, I can sell online. What kind of content do you feature on your website? Product descriptions, customer testimonials, or blog posts? I have pictures of the different haggis. For those of you who are not Scottish, the haggis is a made-up animal. It's a little round thing in children's books. It's a little round thing, and one of its legs is shorter than the other, so it can run around mountains easier. So ChatGPT hasn't picked that up yet, I don't think. I sell. Okay, so I'm keeping it really simple to see where it goes with this. I've uploaded my book. So my book had track 2, which is all about digital marketing, building a presence online, social media marketing, building a brand, that sort of stuff. So it's got all the knowledge from my book and my website. So sets up a good foundation with online sales capabilities and product images. Let's delve a bit deeper. Nice, see, taking it nice and easy today. How are you currently promoting your website to attract visitors? I told the local newspaper when I launched the site. Do you use any social media platforms? I have a Facebook page. Tried your search engine optimization. Not. What is SEO? Let's just read what it says. Informing the local newspaper about your website launch is a great step to garner attention. Hamishette. However, for sustained online visibility and traffic, more continuous efforts are typically required. Have you considered using social media to promote your... Yeah, which platforms have you used? Do you collect email addresses from your customers or website visitors for email marketing? I do have some email addresses from customers. I don't have a blog, but do but like the sound of that. Right, so it's telling me what SEO is. Start an email newsletter. This could include updates about new products, special offers, or interesting. This is absolutely great. This is exactly what I would advise myself, because it's in the book. If you've got some customers, use them to create a database and import that database into something like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp to start with, or one of the bigger ones if you've got more budget, and start creating blog posts, and ideally use video. Now, in this market particularly, I'd be using Instagram. So it hasn't mentioned Instagram yet. Adding a blog can significantly, you can write about topics related to your, yeah, okay. Yeah, going back to existing customers and offering them new products and ranges. Also encouraging, getting your keeping your customers engaged and encouraging repeat visits, especially at this time of year. Okay, so it's given me some. All right, here we go. Oh, look at this. Now, before I make my first suggestion, is there anything else I need to know about your business and marketing to help you get effectively? I get easily overwhelmed. So can we take it one step at a time? I have just remembered I have an Instagram account too. Oh, so I've got to my daily usage limit. I've been using this a lot today, so we can't really go much further, but you can see how useful this could be. Now, what else I want to do with it is I want to connect this custom GPT app to my chatbot on my website. That's my next step. Now, there's a lot of claims going around and a lot of tutorials going around telling you that it's really easy to do this stuff. It's not quite as easy as it's been made out to be. What you need is some technical work doing called a webhook. So the only way that ChatGPT, they can take someone's email address if they are willing to give it. So, for example, if at the end of this session, when I said, oh, that's it, I'm done, thank you, whatever, it would have offered 3 opportunities for the user to come and visit my website or book into my diary, and it would have given them links to do that. But really what I want it to do is to take someone's name and email address so that I can get them to agree to subscribe to my newsletter directly from using this chatbot. And to do that, there's some sort of website webhook setup that needs doing. I'll have cracked it by next week, don't you worry. I hope you can see from this brief demo what an amazing opportunity it is to create your own custom ChatGPT tool. Even bigger is that their custom GPT store, which is going to be a bit like the Apple App Store, is going live next month. So it's really quite important if you're an expert or an author, or you've got a trainer and you've got a real specialty, to get yourself onto ChatGPT Plus. And then when you come down here to your own account, I'll show you how it looks. It opens up this little screen when you click on your account, and then you can go My GPTs, and it will take you to a place where you can create your own GPT and edit them once you've made them, and keep refining them and honing them, which is rather marvelous. So I'll cover how to set up a custom GPT in my next video. But in the meantime, I hope the little demo of using mine, of course, come to my website and use that yourself for your own marketing if you want. If you go to nicolacairncross.com, you will see, let's show you. This is how I've set it up in the meantime until I can get the old chatbot working with it. So I've got free help, and I've got an opt-in page here, which tells you a little bit about the Mentor app. It tells you a few tips for use. For example, if it gets too exuberant, to tell it, you're easily overwhelmed, calm down, one suggestion at a time, that kind of thing. And then it gives you a button to opt in. When you've opted in, it takes you straight through to the custom GPT, where you can start your mentoring session. So I've got a workaround at the moment, but I need to figure out these webhooks so that I can use it in various other places and get people straight from the custom GPT marketing mentor through to my active campaign and start some sort of follow-up sequence. only with people's permission, of course. I hope this has helped. If you liked it and you can see the potential for your business, click like and subscribe, and set the notifications so you get all my notifications. They're always useful videos like this. I'm not the kind of person who just talks about things you could do. I'm actually testing these things out in my business on a day-to-day basis, as you can see. If you've got any questions at all about how you could make this work for your business, you're not quite sure, just put them in the comments below. I see all the comments and I will answer every single one. See you later.